When we started out this program, we spent a lot of time listening to what students need. We spent an entire year, in fact, going to college campuses, understanding what specific needs students had, assessing data, and we really found that food insecurity, housing insecurity, and just meeting those daily basic needs were so critical. So we started these what we call benefits hubs. So that these one-stop shops on each of the college campuses. We're currently on 10 campuses, and on most campuses, in the before times, before COVID, there was a spot where staff that United Way paid for and Americorps members who are serving our community with this program were there to provide financial interventions to the community college students. Since March, that entire program has moved to a virtual model. So today, a student that needs services can sign up on our website. Each of the colleges still has a major presence of Benefits Hub. They have information about the program on their websites. Many of the faculty members include information about Benefits Hub in their syllabi to really help students understand that it is okay to ask for help. Many are facing challenges of food insecurity or housing insecurity for the first time, or in the first time that it's their responsibility to take care of it themselves. You think about many students coming out of our K-12 system, they've relied and had access to free and reduced meals throughout their K-12 experience, and they get to college and they still struggle. They still struggle with hunger, but those meals aren't there. So they're able to, with the help of our Americorps members, we have about 43 Americorps members right now that are working across these 10 campuses. They are making sure that students know it is okay to ask for help and then provide direct interventions to them. We provide a range of services. We invest about $1 million in emergency financial grants. What those grants do is help make sure that if a student needs a car repair or they need to pay a utility bill, they have a childcare emergency, they can access one of these grants and pay for it. We've really developed a philosophy of trusting students, trusting that they know what their emergency is, and that if they're having an emergency, we have to get money to them as quickly as possible. We also partner really closely with Neighborhood House, a community-based organization, to get rent assistance to students. Of course, in our region, we all know that homelessness is an extraordinary challenge even before COVID. That is very true of our community college students. So we work hard to make sure that students have access to rent assistance in addition to those emergency grants. Our Americorps members and staff that are working across these colleges are also able to provide other services. They offer mental health resources. They've just started connecting students to legal services at the deep urging of Justice Bobby Brown, Bobby Bridge, who's on the call right now. We can offer free tax preparation services, financial coaching, access to public benefits. Whatever those services are, we are able to make sure that students are able to access them. It's harder right now, right? There's no doubt about it. It being virtual, not seeing students face to face is harder. But the team has done such a great job of working closely with faculty and students to meet the needs that they're seeing and begin to provide resources in a virtual way. And be responsive. A lot of it is about making sure that services are offered in the native language of our students. It's about making sure that whatever we offer, we can do fast. You don't have a lot of time for paperwork in a virtual environment. And most importantly, that we center it around what the student needs. And if we don't have an immediate answer, we go find one for those students.